Recently I posted a video in which I was making a large landscape relief. It was quite big and its size was a bit of a problem in the beginning. I found out that it would be a much better idea to make many small squares and glue them together on a large board, retouch the edges and paint over. However, I was working in a rush that day and the result gave me a lot of trouble to fix. So in the end I have something I can actually sell. Since I wanted to really fix it, I decided not to be impatient and leave it to get dry for weeks. It was no longer fragile and plaster allowed me to move it around without fear. It should have been thicker, so I added wooden board and considered welding an armature for the next one. I glued it well and after that I made holes for screws. I drilled 4 extra holes for wires, which I secured on the back so the whole relief can hang. I didn't film the whole part, but it is pretty simple. It just takes a long time. Before gluing some broken parts and retouching, I removed all dust and watered it as much as it was taking in. I mixed plaster, got the broken fragments wet too, and pressed them into fresh plaster. When it started firming, I added texture with fingers, so the new layer stays well on the previous one. I left it to dry for another week before painting.